Hello guys, back to another video of Lux the Gamer, and today's video we will be installing Prime OS on our PC. So as you can see my screen over here, it's loading the file explorer. Now I go into my downloads section. Here we go, and now we go into Prime OS standard installer. I'll give you the link down below of the installer from where to install it, so don't worry about that. Okay guys, so that opening took some time, so I had to turn off my screen recorder. Now I am back, and as you can see it is extracting. That's no problem, it's extracting. It's lagging a bit, I don't know why. It won't lag on your computer. I am recording and doing this, that's why it's lagging on my computer. So don't worry about that. Okay guys, now the extracting is done. It's opening up, so we have to wait for it. Okay guys, now I am on the installer screen. I have downloaded from the Windows installer, not from the ISO image. Now as you can see, it needs to say EFI right here. If it doesn't say EFI, so it would not download in your computer. And Prime OS is basically like an tablet built into your PC, so like you can play any Android games on it. Now we click on next, and I have a lot of space on my disks, so I'll be using D drive. And over here I forget how much space I needed, so it takes some time for me to put. Okay guys, as you can see on my D drive, I'm opening it right over here. My D drive is empty and there is a lot of space. If you guys don't have space in your disks, so it might erase some files. That is the other problem, so do it at your own risk. Now my D drive had a lot of space, so I will be using 10 GB. Then we click on next, and we have to click on start. Alrighty guys, sorry for the shaking video quality, because I switched on my phone, because after this installation I could not record on my PC. Obviously it would not load that properly, and it restarts the computer several times, so that is also one issue right there. So it does some command prompt for you. You don't have to do anything, you have to just sit back and relax. Do not touch your keyboard or mouse. It will do some command prompt thingy. Okay guys, now there will be an option format disk. Just don't do anything to that. It's just saying you don't have to touch that disk or anything. Your computer will start restarting. I did that because I did not know about that. That's the reason I did that. But you guys don't have to touch. Let it be like that. It will restart your PC and it will do all the commanding for you. I will show you in the next clip now. As you guys can see, I am showing this right here, reboot several times, and it will return to Windows on a successful install. We don't have to do anything over here. It's showing nothing. You have to just restart. The computer will restart by itself. It says restarting, and you have to restart anyway. Okay guys, now my computer turned back on and it went directly to this page. It will take some time, so don't worry about it. Do not enter or press anything when it's doing this. This will take some time, so don't worry about this. I will fast forward the clip because it takes a lot of time. Okay guys, after doing all those commands to your PC, I'm using a HP laptop, so note that some people might be having some other PCs. I'm using an HP laptop. It's turning back to Windows. It's turning on back to Windows. It says please wait. It's login. There's my admin thingy. As you can see over here, there's a prime switcher. You don't want to do anything. You straight away want to go to shut down your PC. You want to shut. Sorry for the shaking of the camera. It was night and I couldn't hold the camera properly. I could not see. Now we have to press shutdown. After shutdown, I'll show you what to do next. Okay guys, as you can see, my PC is completely shut. It's gone black. I have to turn it back on in a sec. It's turning back on and I have to press F9. Oh sorry, I got onto the wrong loading screen, so I will just turn off my PC and turn it back on. You have to do it quick. Okay guys, I'm back at it again. It's turning on. And we have to be quick. I'm using an HP laptop, so to enter in the boot menu I have to press F9, and I am in the boot manager, and as you can see there's Prime OS loader. You have to enter in it, then it'll ask you a GRUB version, then you have to just click on enter. It will do again all the coding which it did before. You'll see detecting Prime OS, found /Dave Sada, everything. It says Prime OS. And you have successfully installed Prime OS on your PC. I will be making a video on it. I will be playing some games on it to show you guys. As you can see, that's the logo for Prime OS. As you guys can see, I'm on the welcome page and I get a mouse, obviously, and I'm going to type my name right here. Laksh is my name, which I'm going to type. You can put anything in your birth date or anything if you want, but you have to select the correct time zone. If you do not select the correct time zone, the Windows time zone will also change. I'm not putting my actual birthday, I'm just putting things, as you can see. Okay guys, I am putting this right now. Okay guys, after choosing everything, you can see license and you have to click next and license and terms. Then you have to click OK. Hi, welcome to Prime OS. Experience Android on your PC. As you can see, setting up your apps, getting Prime OS ready. This will take just like a few seconds. Let's start. Then now it will ask me to put everything. As you can see, we have Prime OS loaded on our PC without even harming our Windows file or anything. If you want to go into the Windows, you don't have to do anything. You have to just shut down the computer and turn it back on, and it will load to Windows. If you want to enter Prime OS, you will be having to do the methods which I showed. If you have a HP laptop, you have to go in F9, go into Prime OS loader. Then after loader, you have to go in the GRUB grub menu. Then you have to just click enter. It will find the Prime OS. After it's found the Prime OS, it will load for you. And that's it for today's video. I see you guys in the next video.